Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So as you all know that tomorrow is expiry day and you can clearly see here that today market tried to closes below 39,000 level, and it is good for us because if tomorrow market once again trades below 39,000 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and our first target will be 38,400, next target will be round level 38,000. But if it opens gap up, then it may be show some sideways movement here, because from the last 5 days it shows continuously negative movement. So if it opens gap up, then there may be some buying happening, and that may be cause for the sideways market. So for taking any kind of buying or selling trade, we need to look into 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that today market opens around that resistance level, which is 39,800, and it continuously shows negative movement here, and right now it closes around that 39,000 level. So if tomorrow market opens around 39,100 or 39,000 level and shows any kind of negative or movement, or if it trades below 39,000 level during market hours, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be, as I said, 38,400 to around level 38,000. But if it opens a gap up above 39,200 or around 400 and shows any kind of positive movement, as I said, it may be goes for sideways, and we can expect any kind of selling if it opens flat or opens gap down and shows any kind of negative movement. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. So Nifty, you can also clearly see here that it closes below that 17,000 level, which is good for us. If it trades below once again that 7,000 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target we can set to 16,800 to 16,750. But if it opens a gap up above 70,000 or 70,100 and shows any kind of positive movement, then we're going to wait for another 1 or 2 days for taking any kind of buying trade. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that today market opens around 7,200 level, which previously acted as a major resistance level. So today it also took resistance from that zone, and it continuously shows negative movement until it closes below 70,000 level. So if tomorrow market opens around 70,050 or 70,000 level and shows any kind of negative movement, or if it trades below 16,950, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 16,850 to round level 16,800. If it opens a gap down and shows negative movement, then you can expect some selling pressure here also, because from the last 5 to 6 days it continuously shows negative movement. So it may be goes another day for the negative movement. So if it opens gap up above 7,100 or 150 and shows any kind of positive movement, then we're going to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes for any kind of trend confirmation. Then if it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can expect some selling pressure here. But if it shows any kind of positive movement, then it may be goes sideways for the entire day. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. So if you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components, which are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, and IndusInd Bank. So if you are looking at those banks during market hours, then it will going to help you to take trade in Bank Nifty options. So that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel. And if you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment section. So let's meet on another video.